Hi, KNS Brakes here. Today we're going to show you some of the difference between a conventional rotor that's on most type of cars and the KNS rotors that we get made for us by Disc Brake Australia. On the right we have a Centric rotor here, and you can see this is a common rotor, front rotor for production car, and they use a straight vane design for the brake rotors. This is the most common way. It fits on either side of the car. There you have it. So here you'll see a KNS brake rotor, and we get these made by Disc Brake Australia. Now DBA uses a different design than you see on most rotors. It's a pillar vane design, and the point of that is to get more surface area in the cooling vanes and to distribute the heat load that the rotor sees when you're using it, especially under harder use. So these pillar vanes allow more heat to be held and more heat to be rejected by the brake rotor. DBA uses a proprietary alloyed gray iron material that's very strong, and the rotor is also heat treated after production. So these things help the rotor work better under high heat, and we've had good results with them, especially on track use.